Baron Geisler from Thomas. Okay, so the first question is, we would like to know, you have taken on so many roles as an artist or as an actor. What would you say is the most different role or the most different thing or challenging thing about your role dito po sa Incognito?
Una is I just want to say that I'm very grateful to Star Creators and Studio 360 and to the cast for giving me this opportunity to, be working with the best of the best. The most challenging, I think, is sobrang dami. My character kasi I play sniper, surgeon, doctor, so very intelligent, and precise yung character. Yung mga characters ko before, puro mga nasa baw! Mga nasa, puro mga bad guys. So, I'm just grateful na nabigyan ako ng opportunity to become one of the good guys naman this time. And nadadala ko siya. Nadadala ko yung pagiging good guy. And yung para sa character ko naman si Miguel Texon, ang pinaka-main goal niya dito is to be very dependable. Kasi meron siya may backstory to may mga pag-uulan siya sa abangan niya. Abangan.
Kaya New Year's resolution or New Year goal niya is to be dependable.
Oo.
From the character.
At sabi nga ni Baron, kumbaga yung character na dito, nadadala niya, IRL or in real life.
IRL, in real life.
In real life. Sunod na kami, Baron, siguro from the most challenging favorite scene without, mentioning any spoilers. Favorite scene ko siguro, para kahit pa-clue-clue lang.
Marami eh. Palawan, Group, Italy, Kyla.
Okay, para siya rates wala yan. Syllable.
Sobrang galing yung Kyla Estrada dito. It was such a, napalakpakan namin si Kyla, guys. It was such a, medyo may edad na rin ako, pero working with someone very young, yet very passionate. Umiyak ako sa eksena namin, nadala lang ako. Talagang,
Personally, parang revelation for you. Kyla Estrada.
we all know naman that
Yeah.
Kyla
Yes.
is a very good actress.
Yes.
Dependable. Pero yung working with her na harap-harapan sa ibang country with different, with foreign actors, and then sobrang big scene. Wow. Natulungan niya ako para mag-bring out yung best din sa character ni Miguel. Yes.
Alright, thank you, Baron. And speaking of Kyla, these questions are for you. Okay.
Alright, so first of all, ang ganda ng glasses mo.
Yes.
Bagay na bagay.
That is the bangs. I love it. Yes.
The bangs, the micro bangs. But so first, Kyla, you also went through a lot of roles. Could you tell us what was the most challenging or interesting part about your character here in Incognito?
Well, first, I'm super excited kasi simula nung nag-start ako sa showbiz, I've always said na yung dream genre ko is really action. So, I'm so happy kasi feeling ko talaga I was able to manifest it. So, it's really just a dream come true for me to be in Incognito. I feel like the character in itself and just being part of Incognito is already so different. Like I said, it's action. It's also my first time like when I action. Kaya personality, skills, talagang sobrang iba from anything that I've ever done. Kaya I feel like nagtitraining pa lang kaming lahat. I've already grown. Di ba kami nagsisimula mag-train? Ang dami na lang nagtitraining. So yeah, super happy to be a part of this project that is really very different.
Ito kaya na, mga iba lang. If Max Albero had a playlist, if meron daw playlist si Max Albero, ano daw ang kanyang top song?
For Max Alvero, siguro it would